Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about arithmetic progression. So to understand the arithmetic progression, we will take few examples. So I'll take here the first list of the numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And the another list of the numbers is 100, 70, 40, 10 and so on. So first of all, you should know what is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is the sequence of the numbers where the difference among the two consecutive terms is always same. What it means, if you will see the first list of the numbers, the consecutive number which is 1 and 2, if I'll find out the difference among these, the difference is 1. Then I'll take the next two consecutive numbers here, and if I'll find out the difference, then I'll get here 1. Then I'll take the another two consecutive terms here, which is 4 and 3, and if I'll find out the difference among these, the difference is 1. So you can see here that the difference among the two consecutive terms is always same. Such kind of a series is called as arithmetic progression. Now in the question, you can see they have written write first four terms of AP when the first term A and the common difference D is given. So what is the common difference? Common difference is the one which we just calculated. And what is the first term? First term is the very first term of any particular arithmetic progression. So here the first term is 1. That means A is equals to 1. In the second list of the numbers, if you will see, the first term, which is A, is equals to 100. So in the arithmetic progression, we always represent the common difference with D, and we always represent your first term with A. And to find out the other terms of the arithmetic progression, we will understand a formula which says nth term is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. For example, for the first list of numbers, if I want to find out what can be the 8th term, that means n will be equals to 8, and if I'll put here and 8th term, so my 8th term will be equals to, since A we already know is 1, then plus n we already know it is 8, minus 1, D we already know it's 1. So the 8th term for this particular AP will be equals to, if I'll solve everything, I'll get it here, plus 7 is equals to 8. So the 8th term is equals to 8 in this arithmetic progression. If we will take the another example where A is already given to us, which is equals to minus 1.25, and D, which is common difference, is equals to minus 0.25. And the question is, we have to write down the first four terms. That means the first term is already given. We have to find out the second term, third term, and the fourth term. So let's find out the second term. So if I have to find out the second term, that means n is equals to 2. And what is the formula? The formula is nth term is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now we have to just substitute the values which are already given above. So the second term will be equals to, in place of A, I'll write on minus 1.25 plus, in place of n, I'll write down 2 minus 1 into minus 0.25. I always write down a negative number, whether it is in multiplication, whether it is in addition, whether it is in subtraction. I always write down the negative number within the bracket. You always follow the same. Okay. Then it will be minus 1.25 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into, still I'm keeping this in the brackets. Now it would be equals to minus 1.25. Now plus 1 into minus 0.25 will be minus 0.25. And when I'll solve this part, I'll be getting here minus 1.50. So the second term will be minus 1.50. Now we need to find out the third term. So to find out the third term, I will just substitute the value of n with 3 and then we'll get the third term. So when I'll substitute the value of n with 3, I'll write here 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 into minus 0.25 will be equals to minus 0.50, and when I'll solve it, I'll be getting here minus 1.75. That means our third term is minus 1.75. Similarly, we'll find out the fourth term. You also try to find out the fourth term quickly and we'll see that is your answer is also matching my answer or not. So let's start with it. So in place of n, I'll write down 4. You also write down 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 and plus 3 into minus 0.25 will give me minus 0.75. And when I'll calculate this, I'll be getting here minus 2.00. That means the AP is minus 1.25, which is the first term, minus 1.50, which is the second term, minus 1.75, which is the third term, and minus 2.00, which is the fourth term. And similarly, we can calculate n number of terms for a particular AP if we already know what is the first term and the common difference using the formula, which is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So once you will remember the formula, you can easily calculate any term of any AP if you already know what is the first term and the common difference. So if you liked my video, do share, subscribe, and also write the comment in the comment section if you have any other questions related to this particular topic. I hope you enjoyed the video, you understand the method very well, so just practice, okay? Thanks for watching.